Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by and visiting with me. Today I'm going to be working on another traveler's notebook layout. This is for my daughter's 2019 TN, and I know that I have been bombarding you guys with just TN layouts, but basically I am in a rush to try to get this done. This is one of the projects that I was really committed and want to get done for her. I wanted to document all of her little individual memories for the year for 2019. And so I am on my last signature, you guys. This signature that you see, I've made it myself. And I was very conscious of the amount of pages that I added. So even though you guys can't see it, or maybe if it does look like it's a lot, trust me, it's not. Because I was very conscious of the amount of pages I put inside. The actual TN is already pretty bulky, so I don't want to make it even worse. So yeah, so I only have a few more pictures to go. I am currently documenting, and that's what I'm working on today, is the school fall pictures for 2019. So I am towards the end of the year and I only have a few pictures to go, and I can consider this done and move on to other projects. But like I said, I really wanted to commit to doing this for her. I am using the Heart of Home paper pad collection from Jen Hatfield, and I actually picked this up from Tuesday morning, and I do believe that I shared it on the Tuesday morning haul video that I put out a couple weeks ago. So the pictures is just one of the smallest pictures. When school pictures come, I already know I gotta send pictures to the grandmas, and I try, honestly, I've been very conscious about not buying the whole packet because I feel like school pictures is a ripoff. So I've been very conscious about how many pages I purchase, and these are like, you know how you get like a 6x8 and then you have like little wallet size on that page? This is what one of those pictures are. And I was like, well, what am I going to do with the wallet size pictures? Because, you know, my mom always, grandma always prefers the 8x11. And then I always, because you only get one of those, then I split the 6x8 with my mother-in-law whenever I send the pictures, because honestly I have a stack for her and I never send them. I keep forgetting and they just keep piling in here, but I actually need to send off the pictures to her. But anyways, I'm going off on a different conversation that has nothing to do with the with what I'm saying. So yeah, so this is just a small wallet size picture, and I needed to figure out like, okay, who really receives wallet pictures, you know? So I was like, let me add one to her TN. And I thought she was so pretty. She came out so pretty, and she gave me such a hard fight, you guys. My pretty girl is at the stage where the pretty clothes that I choose for her is not pretty according to her eyes, and she wants her own style, and she just wants me to buy whatever it is she wants, and I'm not gonna do that. um, so I actually made a drug deal with her, and I said, hey, this is a shirt that I specifically bought her from Target, and it's very pretty. It has like ruffled or like puffy shoulder sleeves, and she was so against it. I think she even tried to cry on me to say that she didn't like it. And then at the end, I feel like I made a drug deal. Like I promised her something. If she just, oh no, I know what I promised. I just remembered. I promised her that was gonna be the last school picture that I get to tell her what to wear. So basically the drug deal was that if she wore this shirt for me for this picture, the next school pictures, I had no say so on what she wore. And we made a deal. We pinky promised. She agreed. And she took this picture. And she came out so gorgeous, of course, because I'm her mom. I'm going to be biased. Uh, and when the pictures came out, I feel like somehow, was it either Michael or her herself that told me that she came home and everybody was telling her how pretty she looked for the school pictures and everything. I feel like it was her that actually told me. And I was like, see, you should trust your mom's, um, like dressing experience, because she's never gonna not make you look nice. And she's like, I'm sure she rolled her eyes and she was like, yeah, mom, whatever. But anyways, so that was our our little deal. And from now, I don't know what I'm gonna do for the next school pictures, you guys, because I'm gonna have to come up to some, like make them think it's their idea, but it's really my idea. I don't know. I'm gonna have to trick her some way. But anyways, the layout is almost done, and I didn't even tell you guys anything about it, other than the title for this layout is called Pretty Girl. And you guys saw I didn't have any cardstock that matched the ink, so I'm making my own. And I've shared this tip before. If you're going to be using ink to stamp a title, but then you don't have anything to tie it down, just go ahead and put some ink on regular white cardstock, or any cardstock that it's obviously going to be visible, and just tie in those colors by adding a little banner like I did right here at the top. And then I did this for the left side also, but I'm going to put it at the bottom. And I am going to add one more little banner, and that's going to be our layout. I am going to put you guys back over to the regular filming of the video, because I actually talk about the layout. And we'll see you guys next time. I'm laughing at myself. Oh, I'm laughing at myself because I'm so stingy. I didn't even want to waste that little piece. Too much. Too much. I'm looking for, I think I found the perfect one for right here. I think, other than this part right here at the bottom, I think we're going to call this done. Are we? Such a pretty layout. I need to write something in here, but I don't know what. Oh, I'm so dumb. Sorry, guys. Just crack myself up because I'm like, hey, let's not waste it. Let me tug it in here. But anyways, the last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add something here. But do I want to make it like happy day or happy girl? But that's too let me see, I'm trying to find something lighter because that's like too yellow, you know what I mean? Although I do like the fact that it says happy girl, I just don't like the fact that the sticker is so yellow. See, like that yellow is not even included in them. So, and I don't have any white ones, I don't think. There's another one right there. Let me see. Oh, right here. This one might work. Let me grab my tweezers and just wait. But pretty girl, happy girl. But maybe I should just write it down. I don't know. Shall we just go for it? I don't know. I'm not convinced about that. I'm just gonna leave it like that for now. I don't know. I don't want to write the year because the year is already in the picture. And I kind of surprisingly like it like that. So I think I'm just going to call it a day, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you guys on the next video. Have a good one. Bye.